name is Sharon. Thank you for watching my video. Today I'm going to introduce you how to make fried rice. The ingredients you need are 1 egg, 1 carrot, 1 stalk of green onion, 1 cup of cooked rice. Should be cooked previous day so it won't be sticky. Cooking oil, salt, and the soy sauce. First of all, you need to cut carrots and the green onion into small pieces. Then you need to beat eggs. Now it's time to cook ingredients. Pour some cooking oil. When done, pour out in a bowl for later use. Green onion, pour out. Then cook carrots. Pour a little bit of water. Turn fire into small. And cover it. Let it simmer for a few minutes until carrot is soft. When carrots cooked, pour them out for later use. Now cook the rice. When rice is heated, pour in all the ingredients. And mix well. Add some soy sauce and salt. Okay, the rice is done. Before you enjoy it, remember to use your favorite bowl to put rice. This is my favorite bowl. This way I can enjoy the rice to maximum. Okay, they are ready to enjoy. Fried rice is easy to make. Try it yourself today.